And thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to me because myself, as well as my qualification considered, I have completed from CBSE board and I have completed my BSL from Delhi University. I have 1 year of experience in open law solution and I was working as a payment adjustment and I have hobbies, listening music and playing cricket and explore which are related and hills area. And I have card. In this card, there are multiple fruits and which are good for your health. And but is banana is your skin and muscular body. And second is orange is shows your stamina and boost your capacity and strong your hair also. And there is a grabs also, and grabs also strong your bone and strong your eyes and many things also for your health and which are for your health. So you can give anytime, anywhere. That's it.
Hello guys, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. This is Aditya, I'm 19, I'm based in Delhi and I'm continuing my graduation from University of Delhi and my hobbies lie in the stock market and trading and I'm holding 3 years of experience in trading as well as stock market. Over the career, I gained valuable expertise in areas such as risk management, financial market, portfolio management, etc. And I also keep myself updated with the financial news to enhance my performance. If I miss something, I'll definitely seek your guidance. Thank you.